Hi everyone, welcome back to the Senior Prius channel. Today I'll show you when to use your Prius dim light, headlight, and fog light correctly. This helps you drive safer, avoid blinding other drivers, and protect your car battery. Let's get started with the dim light, also called the low beam. The dim light is what you should use most of the time when driving at night or in the city. Use low beam when there are street lights, when you have cars in front of you, or when there is oncoming traffic. You should also use low beam in tunnels, parking garages, and during rain when visibility is normal. Low beam spreads light wide but not too high, so it helps you see clearly without blinding others. If your Prius has HID auto-leveling headlights, make sure they are aiming correctly to avoid pointing to high. Next is the headlight, also known as the high beam. High beam is very bright and shines far ahead, making it useful on dark countryside roads with no traffic. Do not use high beam when another car is coming, when you are behind someone, or when driving in the city. High beam reflects off rain and fog, which can actually make visibility worse. Always switch back to low beam when you see headlights coming toward you or taillights ahead of you. Now let's talk about fog lights, which many drivers misunderstand. Fog lights should only be used during heavy fog, heavy rain, dust, or very low visibility conditions. They shine a wide, low beam that cuts under the fog and reduces glare so you can see the road immediately in front of you. Do not use fog lights in clear weather or city driving because they can distract other drivers. Fog lights do not help you see far. Their purpose is only to help with short distance visibility. So remember, low beam for normal night driving, high beam for dark empty roads, and fog lights only for low visibility. Drive safe and take care of your Prius. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more Prius tips.